the Wi-Fi I'm at doesn't work.
Okay, yeah,
And
that's
also,
what
the Bluetooth, they have a Bluetooth adapter. So it gives me that issue. So what we ended up doing is, we had an Ethernet cable hooked up to this computer. I built the Java socket.
Yeah.
And then I connected the two. And then he wrote like all the scripts for me. So basically what happens is he writes to the shell, he writes to the kernel, and then that writes to the kernel. So I write, from this thing, it takes the input from the finger, puts it into the server.
the Java socket.
And the Java socket, and then it comes here, and then it writes it into the shell, and then it writes it into SSH.
Suck it.
Yeah. We were gonna do